Hello, my name is James. Today, I have a short lesson written by Neville Goddard. This is something I wish I knew when I was younger. Revision. Let us begin. Revision. Your present world reflects the sum total of all that you believe to be true of yourself and others. That which you imagine yourself to be today goes forward and will confront you in the future. If you have forgotten your imaginal activities of the past, that which you see appearing in your world indicates the kind of seeds you have previously sown. Assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled is using your imagination creatively to bring into your world that which you desire to experience. You can use the art of revision to change the effects of prior thoughts and beliefs. If, for instance, you had gone to an interview for a job you truly wanted but later learned that someone else was hired, you can revise that news to make it conform to what you wish you had heard. If you react by feeling depressed or assume any other negative attitude, you will then experience the same type of rejection in the future. Your reactions, whether positive or negative, are creative of future circumstances. In your imagination, you can hear words congratulating you on getting a wonderful new job. That imaginal act now goes forward and you will encounter this pleasant experience in the future. As you review your day, it is important to revise each negative reaction so that you can remember it as what you wished had happened rather than storing that memory as it did occur. What you think of with feeling or emotion is an actual fact. That which you experience in the physical world is merely a shadow, reflecting the reality of your imaginal activity. Therefore, when you revise a conversation, an unhappy experience, or a quality about yourself, you are literally experiencing it in reality, your consciousness. The outer world is a delayed reflection of the inner and is confined to a dimension of space where events occur in a time sequence. Revision, then, literally changes the past. It replaces what occurred in the outer world with the revised version. The revised scene then gives off its effect by going forth to change future events. Dwelling on past irritations or hurts perpetuates them and creates a vicious circle that serves to confirm these negative emotions. The circle can be broken by starting now to revise anything that you no longer wish to sustain in your world. By revising the past, you rid yourself of any effect it may have on your future. Revision is truly the key, which can be used to unlock the doors that have kept you trapped in a particular state. Be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Wow, that was powerful. I don't know about you, but I will definitely be using this. Put it to the test, so to speak. I know I have had several events that I wish would have turned out differently. But then again, I am so grateful that it has led me to where I am now. Gratitude is a major part of my life now. I would like to give thanks to the wonderful people that have brought me here. Thankyou Rhonda Byrne, The Greatest Secret, Dr. Joe Dispenza, Evolve Your Brain, Brian Scott, Reality Revolution, Gregg Braden, Bruce Lipton, Matt Parr, Jake Ducey, Thomas Garetz, Kevin Stratvert, Alen with Smart Video Tactics, Caffeinated Blogger, and so many more. I thank you all more than you know. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up, and like this video if you did. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching.